I don't know if they've told you, but we can't have anything videoed.
Right, okay, not even just my talk at all?
No.
Apparently we need government approval to film. She said basically they're just trying to get clearance to try and get you filming there. The long story short was we managed to get approval. Ollie did the filming. We had a great event, 250 investors, managed to get a lot of contact details. A lot of people got my contact details. And that's the whole point, right? You're going to network with people, whether it's people that are going to be customers, whether it's people that are going to help you out. And that's why I spend so much time going to these events, doing keynote speeches, because I don't get anything from it. But what I do get is a bigger network and a better address book. So stay tuned and watch the full video right to the end. How are you?
Good.
How's things?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Good, good. I mean, there's people like that do 60 deals a month trading wise, and they're just kind of like ninjas. They're in the background because that's their full focus. They're not doing anything apart from just trading. So we get 10, 15 properties come through every single month. People want to buy properties that have been approved for Circle already. Okay, so thanks for having me first and foremost. It's good to see everyone. For those that do or don't know me, my name's Saif Derzi. Today, what I really want to try and get out of all of this for you guys is basically why you can leave understanding how supported living or social housing can form part of your portfolios if it hasn't done already. A bit about me. My background is I'm a pharmacist by trade, so started trading as a pharmacist about for 6 years. Kind of didn't get the job satisfaction from it as a lot of people do, and decided to start a non-property company. That was kind of in the healthcare space. Decided to invest some of the proceeds from that into a property. And then since then, we've gone on to do about 270 deals. So everything that we do starts with our cash buying business. It's called Property Buyers Today. Our investment business is called SDGB Properties. And then Letco is our property and asset management business. Lots of landlords are leaving the market, as we already know. But that's a good thing, because if you hold on to these assets for the long term, you're going to have a very, very, very valuable asset. And this was a property that was converted into a 6-bedroom HMO. So you can see here, you know, it doesn't cost that much to actually paint the doors. I've seen people that do those horrible brown doors. I have no clue why they do them. But if you are interested, this is a bit of a QR code. Feel free to take a picture of that. That takes you through. You put your details and someone from our team will give you a call. My next slide is Q&A, but that's about it for me, basically.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Are you mainly London in terms of your properties?
Mainly London.
Okay, but yeah, give me a call. I'll drop you a WhatsApp anyway when I get back. Give me a call. Happy to talk you through it.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you. Take care. That's a good strategy because you bought it a long time ago.
I bought it a long time ago, yeah.
We work with a few people here, to be fair, today. Everything that we do is in our cash buying business, right? So our cash buying business is people come to us that are in death, debt, divorce, we call it, it's the 3Ds. They need to sell quickly. It's gone nuts recently. You speak to the estate agents, they're like, anything under 100 grand has gone like that. Yeah, I mean, look, the valuation is going to be hard because you're dealing in a low value area, but at the same time, you've got better rent, so your yield is quite good. Thank you. Good to meet you, man. Yeah, you too. Yeah, of course you can. Cheers, man. Take it easy. Good to meet you. Yeah, it's been really, really good. I thought everything went really well, went really smoothly. Lots of people asking lots of questions, engaging questions, which is good. But look, clearly supported living, social housing is the way forward. A lot of people understanding that you can get income guaranteed, which I think is the main thing really. You're not having to worry about voids, not having to worry about maintenance, not having to worry about arrears as well. And I think really what it does, as I said kind of in the presentation, it just creates that fixed income mentality of you buy a property, you've refurbed it, you've refinanced it if you have done that, and this is your income every single month guaranteed, which is obviously great. So yeah, really, really successful event. I'll definitely do it again.